Good morning. Good morning. That is what I woke up to this morning. It's a really pretty sound. I did look up what birds that was. It was a wood thrush and a red-eyed vireo. I put the names on the screen, but I slept pretty well. I feel like I could keep sleeping though, because I did wake up pretty early. So I haven't really been sleeping since I woke up at 4 in the morning, and it's currently 5:29. The sun hasn't even risen yet. So, and it's raining a little bit, which I was not expecting. Still sleeping. Yeah, I'm gonna lay back down. Hopefully it doesn't rain too hard where I have to take this all down. So I don't think this is waterproof. No bugs got in, which is great. Alright, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Lemon, eucalyptus. Cleaned up a bit. I was gonna stay for another night, but I've decided not to. Did all I had to do. Thankfully, I went to the bathroom and did all I had to do. So happy that I was able to do that this morning. Yeah, I cleaned up. I used these wipes called Dude Wipes to freshen up a bit. Honestly, just using those wipes, I feel pretty clean. Granted, I've only been out here for one night. It hasn't even been a whole 24 hours, but I was gonna stay here, but I decided not to. I think this is a good introduction into what my setup is like, what worked, what didn't work. I feel like the more I keep coming out here, I'll know what those things were. I'm gonna make some food. I gotta head out of here by 3 p.m. It's currently 9:56, so I'm gonna make food, chill for a bit. Let's do that. I didn't read the instructions and I did not need to add all that water. All I needed to do was heat up the pan and add the cheese packet, which looks like this. I'm gonna leave a little bit of water so it doesn't stick to it, and then just kind of like cook it up. I only paid $1 for this, for the vegan mac and cheese. There's this warehouse by my house that sells discounted items, and this vegan mac and cheese was in it, so I might go back and see if they have any more. Although that line was really long, so I may not do that because that was a lot of waiting. I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll come back and move on to the next part of this journey.
Very loud. I'm glad I didn't do that any earlier, but it is still pretty early. It's 10:50. I don't know how to open that latch without causing a whole ruckus. I have to use the bathroom, so I'm gonna go do that. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but thankfully the bathroom is literally right there. I have been popping squats around here, but I'm not gonna do that because there is people walking around. So
I just got a sticker. Look at that. It's a good day when I can find a sticker section. I should probably have given this a wipe down, but it is what it is. Oh shit. Oh god. I want it to be nice and centered. Since this was my first camping site, it's gonna be great. Hello. Alright. Thank you so much for tuning in to this mini 2-part vlog of my first solo camping adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it inspires you to do some camping and exploring on your own or with a friend. I am going to be going out camping again this coming week with a special guest, so stay tuned for that video. I'm not sure when it'll be out, so just make sure you subscribe. And that's all for this video. Leave a comment about your camping experiences or where you would like to go, if you could go anywhere on your own, and leave a like if you liked it. If you don't like it, you don't have to do anything. Cool. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.